Hi everybody, welcome to Mandaichi Customs. Today I want to show you a review of the 15 Corvette Stingray as a police car from Matchbox. This car comes in the... Oh, I do not see this, in which case this comes. But here you see the backside of the package, and here from front. The reason why I picked this car was because it is a police car and it combines some special things together, which are very special. So let's open this car first. So here he is in his unpackaged vehicle mode, and the reason why I collect this car was because it is a police car. Here stands Polizei, so it is a German police car, and the special thing about it is that the German police do not have Corvettes in their collection. They mostly use BMW, Mercedes, and this is interesting that Corvette and Polizei are combined together. And I do not know really of if these stripes are real. So if this, or I mean, if it has to be licensed from the German police to write Polizei here. So here he is from side, from front, again with tempos. Other side, the back section is not painted. Top, it would have been cool if the police lights would also be painted in red and blue. Here stands Unit 02. I like the white detailing on the wheels. The bottom says 15 Corvette Stingray Matchbox Thailand 2015 copyright. Overall, a very nice police car. It is the first or the second police car in my collection. I also have a Mercedes Jeep Polizei car, also from the German police, but which has blue tempos. So that was it. Thanks for watching.